Skokie winters, Chicago summers. Your home needs HVAC you can trust. Elite HVACs Furnace, AC and plumbing repair keeps comfort simple. AC acting up? Or ready for a clean air conditioning installation? We handle new AC installs, mini-split installation, and efficient heat pump installation. Need furnace maintenance, furnace installation, or a boiler replacement done right? Our team serves Morton Grove, Evanston, Glenview, Wilmette, Niles, Lincolnwood, Northbrook, and Northfield. Fast diagnosis, clean work, straight answers, no drama. Call us today.